Greeting everyone, myself Lakshmi Priya. I am doing my research under the guidance of Dr. A. Selvaganesen Sastra University. My research work is on synthesis of chiral molecular probe for electrochemical inertial discrimination studies. Chiral molecules are present in nature. For identification of chiral molecules, methods such as chiral HPLC, NMR, circular dichroism is available. In comparison to this method, electrochemical methods have advantages such as rapid detection, simple operation, cost effective. For our research work, we have prepared chiral molecular probe. Initially, the investigation performed with centrally chiral 1-phenylethylamine derivatives. It gave inferior result. To achieve the better discrimination, we have used various axial chiral binary derived probes. After extensive optimization, we have identified that dihydroxybinar gave better discrimination. It exhibits good selectivity also. To further improve the enantiomer discrimination, we have chosen BINAM. After screening the various BINAM derivative, diacetylbinam exhibited excellent enantiomer discrimination. All the studies showed that diacetylbinam exhibited good selectivity. The real-world application of developed probe was proved by detecting the tryptophan in apple juice, cow milk, artificial urine sample. The best result obtained in the presence of CTEP beta CD, we got 5.59 ID by real value. The research work presented in Specific Aim 1 is published in Chemical Papers. The research work presented in Specific Aim 2 is published in Journal of Electroanalytical Chemistry. The research work presented in Specific Aim 3 is published in Microchemical Journal. I acknowledge Chancellor, Vice Chancellor, Registrar, Dean Planning and Development, Dean Research, Dean SEBT, Dean Shashi, Associate Dean Research SEBT, and my special thanks to my research supervisor Dr. A. Selvaganesen sir, doctoral committee members, Shastra Deemed University for the fellowship and infrastructure, LabMate, family and friends, SERB CRG for the financial support. Thank you.